Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. In today's tutorial, we will be painting a beautiful beach scene based on a photo of Popham Beach, located in the state of Maine, in the northeastern United States. Here are the materials, paints, and tools you'll need to complete this project. Pause the video here to gather your things, or look at the description below for the same information. Step 1. Preparing the sky. Squeeze a few drops of Cobalt Blue, Sky Blue, and Titanium White directly onto the upper half of the canvas. Take a wet, flat brush and start spreading and blending the colors in horizontal strokes only. Move your brush up and down for a smooth transition and well-blended paint layers. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. The sky has many shades and variations. Use a light hand when blending colors to smooth transitions and avoid overmixing. Allow the sky to dry completely. Step 2. Creating the mountains. With a small flat brush, mix black and sap green colors to paint the mountains in the upper mid portion of the canvas. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. Mountains can have unique shapes and forms. Step 3. Painting clouds. Use mid-gray and titanium white colors on a small filbert or flat brush. Create cloud-like structures with circular motions. Apply gray for shaded parts and thicker white paint for highlights. Blend the edges for a natural look. Clouds are fluffy and ever-changing, so have fun with their shapes. Step 4. Defining the sea horizon. Apply masking tape along the lower edge of the mountains to create a straight sea horizon line. Add a few drops of Ultramarine Blue, Cobalt Blue, Turquoise Blue for the seawater and burnt umber for the beach sand. Step 5. Blending the sea and beach. Use a wet, flat brush to blend the sea colors in horizontal strokes. Carefully blend from upper to lower portions without reversing. Think of the colors of the ocean and beach on a sunny day. Let them inspire you. Blend burnt umber for the beach sand into the seawater. Use a wet brush if needed for smooth transitions. Blending can be soothing. Take your time and enjoy the process. Step 6. Adding waves and surf. Use a detailing brush to draw a wave with white paint. Add surf to the wave with a small, dry fan brush and thick white paint. Use soft, random strokes in horizontal and zigzag directions. The waves bring life to your painting. If you would like to learn an easy technique for painting seafoam broken down into steps, please watch our tutorial on this topic in another window and come back when you're ready. Enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to make it your own. Step 7. Painting ships in turbulent water. Add ships near the horizon with a zero-size detailing brush. Create the shape of the boat using white paint and then fill in the hull with the same color. Follow our lead to paint these ships and be sure to pause this video if you need more time to work. Create some turbulent water to show movement. imagine the ship sailing on a breezy day. Bring that scene to life. Use a steady hand to add straight lines to imply the mast and sails. Step 8. Detailing the beach. Use a detailer brush and white paint to fortify the seafoam at the water's edge. Add vegetation with light green paint and a fan brush. Lightly tap this color onto the canvas. Add vegetation to both corners of the sand. Switch to a detailer brush to add some longer blades of grass. If you need to learn this technique, watch our grass painting techniques video in another window. Add final details to the ships and paint another boat near the horizon as a final touch. Every detail adds to the story of your beach scene. Enjoy adding those final touches. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a creative friend who may need it. Expand your painting journey by taking our free Acrylic Painting Foundations course. Enroll for free at acrylicartsacademy.com.